Today I'm making Rasmalai but with a little twist. Now I grew up spending a lot of time with my grandparents, and in fact my grandmother loved mangoes. I still remember they had this huge mango tree that would be laden with mangoes every summer season. And I was quite little, but I would climb up that tree to break the most ripe mangoes just for her. And I did get yelled a couple of times because my grandmother only feared that I would fall and hurt myself. But that didn't stop me. I'd be back on the tree the next day. Some memories always stay on. I mean, after all these years, even now, when I see the first mangoes of the season that come in, I always think of my grandma and that mango tree. Now, it turns out my mom is exactly the same. We can never drive past a cart full of ripe mangoes and not end up buying a couple of kilos and then realizing we may have overdone it. So now that I have a lot of them, I decided to make this mango bread rasmalai. Turns out so incredible, each bite literally feels like heaven. You must try this out for you and your family. And if you have any memories linked to mangoes like I do, please do share in the comments below, as I'd love to